How to use prompt engineering to improve output from ChatGPT. Welcome to our prompt engineering training. By the end of this training, you will understand the principles of prompt engineering. Learn how to create specific prompts for better responses. Explore techniques for refining and iterating prompts. Identify real-world applications of effective prompt engineering. Here are the key strategies for effective prompt engineering. Specificity in prompts enhances clarity and relevance. How to be specific. Avoid vague language and provide detailed requests. Action. Instead of write a story, say write a 500-word sci-fi story about AI in London. Clear instructions guide the AI effectively. How to set instructions. Clearly outline format and tone requirements. Action. For summaries, specify use plain English in 3 bullet points. Role assignments provide context for responses. How to assign roles. Define the context or role for better responses. Action. Instruct the AI to act as a professor explaining concepts. Step-by-step prompts reduce confusion. How to use step-by-step prompts. Break down tasks into manageable parts. Action. First explain a concept, then list applications, and conclude with drawbacks. Examples clarify expectations for the AI. How to provide examples. Include samples to illustrate desired formats. Action. Show a customer service email template to guide responses. Now let's check your understanding with real-world scenarios. You want a creative story. What specifics will you include? Pause and assess. Is the prompt clear and specific? Your action should be: revise the prompt for clarity and detail. Imagine you need a summary. How detailed is your request? Pause and evaluate. Does the prompt provide enough context? If the answer is no, add details to guide the AI more effectively. Now let's recap what you learned. Be specific with your prompts. Clear instructions enhance AI responses. Role context improves relevance. Now create your own prompts and test the output using ChatGPT. Explore the potential of effective prompt engineering. Thank you for participating in our prompt engineering training.